Wow, some dramatic and harrowing moments there this morning in Orlando as the tornado took a direct hit on the television station there in Florida. So quite a bit of severe weather this morning in that area, but nothing like that in our area. However, we are heading into severe weather season, and we do have a threat of severe weather later on in our forecast. But tonight, things are calm. Lots of clear skies. Temperature is pretty nice out there. 70 degrees currently on the hour. The dew point's way down there at 30, so a lot of dry air in place. West-northwest wind at 8 miles per hour. Taking a look at the pollen count, it's not been low. It's been on the opposite scale. High side for today and again tomorrow. A little improvement on Wednesday, but still lots of pollen out there. Most of it being ash and oak pollen. So if you're suffering from that, you're going to need the Zyrtec handy. Temperatures right now are in the 60s up to the north and west, 70s elsewhere, including 73 in Gonzales, 70 down to the south of Morgan City. Lots of clear skies across a large chunk of the country right now, with the exception of that storm system on the east coast that's now moving away. Just a few scattered showers over the Carolinas, and Orlando is clearing out right now as well. Here's a look at the upper air chart. You can see that storm system over the Florida Panhandle today moving away, but we have a ridge of high pressure building in for the next few days. But then we're going to be watching this storm moving ashore in California. That's going to take a track to the north. We could see a few showers with this system, mainly to the north, but it's going to be very quickly moving. And then once that goes by, then we're going to be watching this storm ejecting out into the plains. And boy, this one's really going to be a nasty one. Moving out into the plains on Friday with a lot of severe weather expected with this system. Then that one goes by, and then this one pivots in behind it. And that's the one that could cause severe weather in our area on Saturday afternoon. So I know a lot of folks are planning outdoor activities, so you definitely need to stay tuned to the forecast. As we go through the next 24 hours, we're going to be watching a high pressure sliding off to the east. Our winds turning back around to the south, coming off the Gulf, bringing up the moisture just ahead of the next storm system, which again will cause a few showers up to our north, and then that will move on by, and then the next storm system setting up for the weekend. So let's go through the forecast as we go through time tonight. We're going to be looking at lows in the 40s and maybe a few 50s down to the south like Morgan City. And then tomorrow afternoon, lots of sunshine. Once again, winds out of the south, highs in the mid to upper 70s. And then as we go into Wednesday morning, a little bit milder with a more cloud cover with lows in the 40s and 50s. And then Wednesday afternoon, lots of sunshine, a few clouds too, with south winds, highs near 80 on your Wednesday. And then we get into the 80s on Thursday with a 20% chance of showers in the morning, and then 85 on Friday with isolated showers. And that sets the stage for Saturday with some big storms late Saturday, and then cooler for your Sunday, but then right back to 80 degrees for St. Patrick's Day, Andrew.